Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to check the newest versions or the newest updates of the iOS on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your settings application, and after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the general, and now you just need to go click it. And after that, right on the top part here, there will be two options which are about and software updates. So to check the newest version and do the updates, you just need to go click software updates. And here will be explains to you the newest versions of the iOS that they offer, which is the iOS 17.3.1, and the explanation about the features that they offers is already written here, and you can read by yourself. If you are agree and you feel interested to have these offers, so you just need to go click download and install to be installed this iOS into your phone. So that's the way guys how to check the newest updates of the iOS and the way how to update your system. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.